Okay, let's get into it. You've probably seen ads for the Havie Lamp. It's kind of blow it up online right now.
Hmm.
It's like this really sleek, perfect mood light, that cozy vibe.
Right.
So today we're doing a deep dive into the website selling it with Havie.com. Is it legit? Is it the bargain it seems, or something else?
Yeah, and our goal here is basically to give you a quick guide, some tools you can use to check out these kinds of online shops before you buy.
Especially when they pop up like this.
Exactly. We need to know what makes a site trustworthy. Because this lamp, $59 down from $79, that definitely catches your eye.
Oh, absolutely. It looks super professional. The photos are stunning. Price feels like a steal. But the first thing the sources pointed out was a big issue with transparency.
Yeah.
Clean website, looks great, but not much actual info about the company behind it.
And that's the first checkpoint, really. Looking for those basic trust signals, things like clear contact info, legal stuff, policies.
Accountability markers.
Right. And the big one missing here, no clear physical business address anywhere on the site.
Okay, hold on. If they're just shipping me a lamp, why do I need their physical address? Doesn't that feel a bit, I don't know, excessive for buying something online?
Well, it's not really about visiting their office. It's more about confirming there's a real accountable company there, a legal entity.
Mm.
Without that address, if something goes seriously wrong, who do you even go after? It's like a fundamental thing for consumer protection, really.
That actually makes a lot of sense. Okay, so no address. What about like actual customer experiences, people who've bought it?
Well, that's the next piece. The sources found independent reviews are pretty scarce, and the ones that are out there, they're really mixed.
Mixed how?
Some people said, yeah, I got the lamp, it's decent, arrived okay. But then others were complaining about really, really long shipping times, like frustratingly long.
So not necessarily a scam, but inconsistent.
Exactly. That inconsistency, the variable shipping, plus the lack of company details, it strongly suggests a common model, drop shipping.
Drop shipping. Right. So they probably don't even have the lamps themselves.
Precisely. They're likely just taking your order and having it shipped directly from a manufacturer, maybe overseas somewhere.
Which explains the lower price. They don't have inventory costs.
Correct. But the trade-off is they have basically zero control over how fast it ships or even the quality sometimes. That's why you see those really different experiences.
Okay, that connects the dots. So let's talk about managing that risk then. The site takes credit cards, right? Standard stuff.
Yeah, standard payment methods seem to be there.
But what if it arrives broken or just stops working after a week? What does with Havie.com itself offer?
And that brings us to the final big concern from the sources. There's a real lack of clear information about warranties or, buyer protection policies directly from them.
So you're kind of left hanging if there's a problem.
Pretty much. You'd be relying heavily on your credit card company's protection or maybe PayPal's, not on the seller promising to make it right.
Which is why the advice is crystal clear. If you do decide to buy it, absolutely use something like PayPal or a credit card.
Definitely. You need that extra layer of security because the site itself doesn't seem to provide a strong one.
So the overall picture.
Yeah, the consensus seems to be with Havie.com probably isn't an outright scam just trying to steal your card details.
So
But
it's got weak trust signals.
weak trust signals, likely drop shipping, inconsistent service. It's a risk, a potentially manageable one, but only if you go in knowing what you're dealing with, or rather what you're not getting in terms of seller guarantees.
It really hammers home that lesson, doesn't it? When something looks amazing online, especially the price, you just have to do that quick check first. Know the red flags
Absolutely. Digging a bit deeper is crucial.
before you click buy.
And it makes you think, connecting this back to why these kinds of sites often succeed despite the risks. What is it for you personally that's hardest to resist when you see a tempting online deal? Is it the super low price, the perfect look of the product, or maybe that feeling of urgency, like limited time offer? Something to maybe reflect on next time an ad like that Have Lamp pops up in your feed.